Hello, curious minds. What if black holes don't actually exist? What if instead of a bottomless pit of destruction, there's something entirely different, something even stranger? Today we're diving into the mind-blowing theory of Gravastars, an alternative that could rewrite our understanding of the universe. So, what exactly are Gravastars? Gravastars, short for gravitational vacuum stars, are a fascinating alternative to black holes. The idea was first proposed in the early 2000s by physicists Paul Mazur and Emil Mottola, who suggested that instead of collapsing into an infinitely dense singularity, some massive stars might form something completely different, something strange. Instead of a singularity, a gravastar is believed to be made of an exotic form of matter, something with negative pressure, similar to dark energy. This prevents it from collapsing completely, creating a stable structure instead of an inescapable abyss. From the outside, a gravastar would look almost identical to a black hole. It bends light, has immense gravity, and could even have an accretion disk. But unlike a black hole, it has no event horizon. Instead, it's surrounded by a dense, ultra-thin shell with a vacuum of pure energy inside. If these objects really exist, they could solve some of the biggest mysteries in astrophysics. But how do we prove they're out there? And could they explain some of the biggest gaps in our understanding of black holes? Okay, so we've talked about what gravastars are, but what about the science behind them? Because believe it or not, their physics is based on some very real and intriguing concepts. To understand them, we have to talk about something strange, exotic matter and negative pressure. In a black hole, gravity pulls everything inward with unimaginable force, crushing matter into a singularity. But physicists Paul Mazur and Emil Mottola propose that if a collapsing star contained exotic matter, a type of substance with negative pressure, it wouldn't collapse entirely. Instead, it would stabilize into a strange, dense shell. Think of it like a balloon. The negative pressure inside the Grava star pushes outward, balancing the immense gravitational pull trying to crush it. The result? A stable structure that mimics a black hole from the outside but behaves very differently on the inside. Unlike a black hole, which has an event horizon, a Grava star has a thin outer shell that traps light temporarily before releasing it. That means, in theory, if you could survive the journey, you might actually see what's inside. Another mind-blowing idea? The core of a gravastar could be filled with vacuum energy, similar to dark energy. This means gravastars might not just be black hole alternatives, they could actually be connected to the fundamental nature of space itself. But if gravastars exist, how would we find them? And how can we tell them apart from black holes? That's where things get really interesting. So let's say these gravastars are out there, lurking in the cosmic shadows. How would we even go about finding them? After all, these objects are theoretically just as massive and dark as black holes. So how can we tell them apart? Well, the biggest clue lies in the event horizon, or, in the case of a gravastar, the lack of one. Black holes are known for their event horizons. But since gravastars don't have an event horizon, they behave very differently when it comes to light and radiation. While a black hole will trap everything, a gravastar might allow light to escape after bending it around the object. This means that instead of a pitch-black void, we might see some form of glowing radiation or light around a gravastar even from inside its shell. Then there are gravitational waves. When black holes collide, they send out ripples in space-time that we can detect here on Earth. But scientists believe that if gravastars exist, the waves they emit might look slightly different. Since gravastars don't have a singularity, their collision might create a different signature, one that might reveal their true identity. By analyzing these subtle differences, scientists could eventually identify whether they're dealing with a black hole or a gravastar, but there's still more to look for. The way light bends around a gravastar could be very distinct too. In theory, a gravastar's shell might cause light to behave differently than the intense gravity of a black hole. Even if we haven't detected one yet, future telescopes and gravitational wave observatories might soon give us the tools to find and study these elusive objects. And when they do, we'll be looking for that subtle glow, those peculiar gravitational waves, and the unique way light behaves around them. Black holes are one of the most mysterious objects in the universe, but they come with big problems. Paradoxes that even Einstein and Hawking struggled with. And this is exactly why some scientists believe gravastars might be the real answer. One major issue with black holes is the singularity problem, where the core collapses into a point of infinite density, which shouldn't be possible according to general relativity. But a gravastar solves this issue. Instead of a singularity, it has a stable, exotic shell that prevents complete collapse. Another major problem? The information paradox. When something falls into a black hole, its information is seemingly lost forever, breaking a fundamental rule of physics. But if black holes are actually gravastars, then there's no event horizon, meaning information might not be lost, just delayed. This idea has even been explored by famous physicists like Stephen Hawking, who suggested that black holes might have a way to leak information back out. If Gravastars exist, they could be the missing link that explains this mystery. And then there's the question of gravitational waves. When black holes collide, they release ripples in spacetime, which scientists detect using LIGO and Virgo observatories. But some researchers believe that if we look closely, we might find tiny differences in these signals, subtle hints that some of these objects aren't black holes at all, but gravastars. So, could we already have detected gravastars without realizing it? That's one of the biggest questions researchers are trying to answer. Now we know what you're thinking. This all sounds pretty amazing. Gravastars could potentially revolutionize our understanding of the universe and the fundamental forces that govern it. So, what's the catch? As exciting as the idea of gravastars sounds, the theory is far from universally accepted. In fact, there are several big challenges and controversies surrounding this idea. One of the biggest challenges facing this theory is that it requires the existence of this exotic matter. This exotic matter is hypothesized to have properties that are unlike anything we've ever encountered. The problem is, we've never actually observed this type of matter before. It's purely theoretical at this point, and without direct evidence, it's hard to convince the scientific community of its existence. While physicists have proposed various theoretical models for exotic matter, we don't know for sure if it exists or, if it does, what its properties are. These models are based on complex equations and assumptions that have yet to be tested in the real world. Until we have a better understanding of exotic matter, the gravastar theory will remain, well, theoretical. Another challenge is the issue of direct evidence. So far there's no direct observation of a gravastar. While scientists can theorize about their existence based on the mathematics of gravity and quantum mechanics, they still haven't found the smoking gun that proves they're out there. Even the idea of distinguishing a gravastar from a black hole is tricky. Sure, they might look different in theory, but in practice, the differences are so subtle that it could be incredibly difficult to tell them apart using current technology. Are we simply misinterpreting black holes, or is there really something more going on? And let's not forget about the black hole information paradox. One of the main reasons for proposing gravastars in the first place was to address this paradox. But some physicists believe that black holes may already have a mechanism to preserve information, possibly through quantum entanglement or a holographic principle. Some researchers argue that rather than introducing a whole new class of objects, we should refine our understanding of black holes. Gravastars, they say, may be an unnecessary complication that doesn't actually solve any fundamental problems. There's also an ongoing debate among scientists about whether gravastars could replace black holes altogether, or if both could coexist in the universe. Essentially, gravastars might explain some of the mysteries surrounding black holes, but we can't rule out the possibility that both phenomena might be at play in different parts of space. After all, the universe is full of surprises. In the end, the biggest challenge for this theory is the lack of concrete evidence, and the scientific skepticism that comes with it. But as with any bold idea in physics, it's a theory that could reshape our understanding of the universe if it's ever confirmed. And there you have it. If gravastars do exist, they could change everything we think we know about black holes. But the big question remains, could we ever prove they're real? Or are they just another mystery waiting to be solved? Let us know what you think in the comments. And if you love diving into the mysteries of the universe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a journey into the unknown. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep looking up.